Hello everyone. Students, today we are going to solve some problems from NCERT. So, before solving the NCERT problems, I just want to tell you that you have to solve all the NCERT problems from your book, because these NCERT problems are very important, and these questions comes in your board exam. So you try to solve all the NCERT problems, although its solutions are also given. So this is very much useful for you. So let we collect the data from the given problem. But it is written, a truck starts from rest. Since it is starting from rest, that means u, that is the initial velocity, it will be how much? It will be 0. And rolls down a hill with constant acceleration. See, it is written acceleration is constant, although its value is not given. It travels a distance of 400 meters. So, S equal to what? That is 400 meter. In 20 seconds. So, time is equals to what? 20 seconds. It travels, find its acceleration. So, you have to find what? That is acceleration you have to find. Find the force acting on it if its mass is 7 metric ton. Also, you have to find F is equals to what? And given that mass is equals to 7 metric ton. And you know that 1 metric ton, it is 1000 kg. So, it will be 7000 kg. Here it is written, since 1 metric ton is equals to 1000 kg. Okay. Now let me solve. See, from here you have to find acceleration, okay, and as well as the force. So see here, S you have, U you have, T you have, and M you have. So by using the equations of motions, there are 3 equations of motion. First equation is what? That is V is equals to U plus AT. Okay. Second, S is equals to UT plus half AT square. And third is equals to V square is equals to U square plus 2AS. So see, from here you have to apply all these things which are given, means all the data you have to add. Now select that which equation is suitable for you. V is not given, so this first equation is cancelled. You cannot use this equation. Second equation, S equal to UT plus half AT square. This equation you can use because S is given, U also you know, T know, and here T also known. So A you can find out easily from this equation. But this third equation, in case of third equation, V is also not given, so third equation is also cancelled. You cannot use this third equation. So this equation number 2 you can use. So here you will write down that from second equation of motion, what you have got? S equal to UT plus half AT square. So U is 0. So this total component is 0 plus half A that you don't know, and T is equals to 20 second, that means 20 square. So it will become, no need to write this 0. It will become half A into 400, that is equals to, here it will be cut down. So it will be 200A. It has cutted 200A. So and this side S is also given. S is how much? That is, S is distance 400 meter. So you put in this side 400 meter, 400. Now, so now 400 is equal to 200A. So from here you can calculate directly, you can cut down these zeros. So for 400, 4 by 2, that is equals to A. Hence A equal to be how much? It will be equal to 2 meter per second square. This is the value of A, that means acceleration you have got. Now you can easily find out the value of, it is the second question was what? Find that m. So F is equals to ma. So it will be m is how many? M is given, that is 7000 kg, and A you have got 2. So it will be 14123, and its value will be equal to Newton, because all these are in the standard unit, that is meter second, kg, that is in MKS system, all the data. That's why easily you can write down Newton in. Okay.